Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show you how to level concrete or wood subfloor with straight edge. In this situation, here is one side is tile, another side is parquet. I put lani patch to avoid any leaks downstairs and for better bonding self-leveling compound to the parquet. Before I put plani patch, I did grinding, remove all finish from this parquet for better bonding. So when this plani patch was dry, I put L primer over the plani patch for better bonding self-leveling compound. Don't forget put primer. Primer should be always put in before you use self-leveling compound. Then I mix self-leveling compound and I apply this self-leveling compound over the plani patch. I use straight edge to spread this self-leveling compound. It was a little bit slower than I show in this video because whole process took around 20 minutes. I will show you this process in 3 minutes. So you see how it's nice. This self-leveling compound I mix like in instruction for the bags with lower amount of water, and some guys said, oh, like when I'm mixing with lower amount water it's not spreading perfectly. You see, it's really good spreading. So if I'm doing leveling with tripods in big area, I put always more water, but here I don't need very liquid self-leveling compound and I use less water. So you have to choose what kind of mix you need, or more liquid or not. So when I spread whole material, I just use a roller to make surface very not nice and flat. You see, it's done. Very nice. I hope you like this job too. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.